Hey, Assalamu alaikum everyone. So for the past few days, I've been mentioning this again and again that I have been very positive on SHIB right now. So SHIB is trading at 3127, trying to regain its consciousness one more time. So if you look at what SHIB has right now, probably a nice good double bottom here, a break to the upside. We saw the retest here. The technical target is up to 3570. Now, let's try to predict what comes next in the future, because if you try to come up to like 3500 or 3600, we may start to make another pattern here, a bigger one, right? And if you come up there and you try to break above here, then it actually pushes you all the way back up to probably 4800 or even 5000 level, and then all the way up to all-time high, and then we kill the zero for the first time ever, which also I'm going to say, like this video if you really want me to kill the zero. Okay, lower time frames are breaking out as well. So if you notice, we have this resistance right there that has already broken out. So everything looks good so far, so good. The daily time frame also is pretty positive right now. Bitcoin also looks quite good on the daily time frame as well. I think Bitcoin is ready to make its move up to $79,000, and yes, SHIB may also do pretty much the very same thing. It's moving up. As I told you before, that Dogecoin is also a big indicator for SHIB, and you can see that Doge is actually back to 0.2 where it was some few days ago, back in 6th of March. All right, so after 22 days you actually made it back up. Even SHIB as well, after 22 days it's pretty much looking to get back to 4520 hopefully. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.